Thousands of people packed Cork's Grand Parade this evening to welcome home the newly crowned All-Ireland Senior Camogie Champions. They overcame rivals Galway by the narrowest of margins to claim their second title in 3 years. Captain Méabh Cahalane told supporters that they were the difference in getting the team over the line.
Home are the heroes. The newly crowned All-Ireland Senior Camogie Champions arrived back on Leeside this evening. An open-top bus brought them up Patrick Street to a packed Grand Parade. There, the Cork players and management were met with the iconic Rebel Roar as they took to the stage with the O'Duffy Cup. From early this evening, supporters had turned out in large numbers to celebrate the county's 31st All-Ireland Camogie success.
It really meant a lot because the kids were cheering on and stuff, so there was girls from their club playing, so it really meant a lot to see the kids getting enjoyment as well.
We came here very early because we're supporters of Emma Murphy, as we're all Glen, all my group here, and we've been here since about 5 just trying to get the front.
They've done so good, just well done. And we're really proud of them. Yeah, they've done really good. Yeah.
From the stage, players and members of the management team thank supporters for never faltering in belief, even despite the season's shaky start.
Oh yeah, it's incredible. You know, we had such a big support yesterday and we knew it would be no different today, so we were just so happy to see so much red and white here today and so many young girls and boys following us all year, and just to bring the cup back to them this year is just unbelievable.
The strength and depth of this Cork Camogie side, also something which was highlighted by many tonight.
But the whole group was very positive throughout the year, and I know 17 only got game time yesterday, but 36 were really part of what we got, the outcome in the end, you know.
The team and the O'Duffy Cup will travel on to the Captain's Club of St Finbarr's in Toker tonight. So as the celebrations continue late into the night here, thoughts will drift ever so slightly towards the Cork Camogie team repeating the success in 12 months' time and bringing the O'Duffy Cup back to Leeside once more. Mark O'Driscoll, RTE News, Cork.